Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Andy in Singapore, and today we are going to do an unboxing video of this purchase I made at Lazada. Right, I know tonight is the 10/10 sale. Right at 12 midnight you'll get really good deals, and I actually saw this one a couple of days ago and I thought, why not, just click on the purchase button, purchase buy now button, and I promptly received this one 2 days later, I think. So fantastic shipping speed from Creation watches. So just a bit of spoiler ahead, and this is going to be another G-Shock. I'm going to just cut open the tape here. Whoa, okay, we've got these styrofoam peanuts over here. Really good packaging here from Creation watches. We've got the G-Shock packaging over here. The newer version, I think, is a little bit slimmer, and it features some kind of a concrete look at the cardboard box. Yes. And then we've got the tin can here, which is again a standard feature with G-Shocks. Module number 5611. Let's see what we've got here. Alright, so I won't do the tada now. Let me just remove this protective plastic layer here. And there you go, tada! So this is the Casioak GA-2100. It is actually my first GA-2100. Previously, I have purchased the GAS. I think this is the GAS-2100. The mini version, the smaller version, and this is the full-size Casioak. Of course, this one here has got the orange accents on the hands and markers. So I think this is a pretty new release. Probably half a year back they introduced the neon marker series. Let's have a look at the hang tag. Reference number GA-2100-1A4DR. Alright, 5611 is the module. This is the good old non-solar, non-Bluetooth kind of stuff here. And it actually doesn't feel very big. I was thinking it will be much bigger than the mini version, the small version. Alright, so I think after all, it's not a very big watch. And now with all the packaging out of the way, let's take a closer look at the GA-2100, affectionately known as the Casioak, because this one here has that bezel, the octagonal bezel here, which looks like a very famous oak model, the Royal Oak, alright, designed by Gerald Genta. And since its launch in 2020, I think the watch actually carried a slight premium over retail. In 2020, there was no stock. Alright, and of course these days you don't have to pay a premium anymore. I paid very good price, I think way lesser than retail. And let's just take a look at the size comparison again. So like I said, it's not that much larger than the GAS or GAM, I'm not too sure, but it is also 2100, just a bit smaller, right? So it is a very basic entry-level G-Shock build. It's got that core, carbon core guard. I think the inner bezel guard or something is some kind of gel material, hence the name carbon core, right? No confirmation on that. Let me just read up a little bit more on that. And here's a quick wrist shot of the Casioak on my wrist. It really doesn't feel very big despite the 45mm case size. I think it's because the thickness here is under control, probably about 13 or 14mm, and most G-Shocks are way thicker than that, probably 17 to 18, and wearability is no issues at all. I'm surprised there is no lug gap at all. I actually quite like this one. This could be a daily beater for me. Right, we'll see how it goes. I'm going to spend some time with the watch, and I may report back with a more detailed video review. Stay tuned for that one. This is Andy in Singapore. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.